Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by finding where Premiere thinks the files should be. Open the project, select clips with the red offline indicator, and check their recorded file paths in the metadata or link media dialog. Once done, make sure the external drive letters match and the folders exist. Mismatches are the usual culprit. If you moved folders, note the folder hierarchy and file name patterns because Premiere links by path and name. You need this map to rebuild links quickly and avoid relinking every clip manually. Now you relink efficiently. Select all offline clips, right-click and choose Link Media, then navigate to the correct parent folder rather than individual files. Premiere will match by file name and timecode where available, so point it at the top-level folder containing the relocated media. If files share names, check the clip name and source file info to confirm matches. If everything aligns, click OK and let Premiere relink in batch. This preserves sequence edits, effects, and in /out points without re-importing. Finish by verifying integrity. Scrub timelines and watch for mismatches or offline frames. If you see wrong clips, use replace footage on a single instance to point to the correct file and let Premiere update linked occurrences. If relinking fails, scan for hidden subfolder depth or file name changes. Rename or move files back to the expected path. As a final tip, always keep autosave and a consolidated media manager backup. That backup will restore links quickly when automated relinking cannot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.